See the next program to find out the number is positive or negative. In this program we have to give in input we have to give a number, okay, and we have to find out that the given number is positive or negative, okay. So we have to find how if the number is greater than 0, okay. Remember that number line, after that 0 the number is positive and before 0 the numbers are negative, okay. So if the number is greater than 0 or equals to 0, then it will print the number is positive. Else, that means if the condition is false, then it directly go to else part, and what is written in the else part, the number is negative, okay. So let's run that program. Run, start. Enter the number. First of all, I write the positive number, that is 8. Press enter key. The number is positive. Our answer is the number is positive. Then again press enter key. Again we have to check for the negative number whether the program is correct or not. Click again, run, start. Enter the number. I enter -7. Then press enter key. See, the output is the number is negative, okay. Then press enter key. Check with 0. Again we have to run the program. Start. Enter the number. I enter 0. Now press enter key. The number is positive, okay. So press enter key again. So it will be clear to you all that how we have to find the number is positive or negative. So in this way you can make many programs by using if then else. In your book this program is the second program. You have to do the first one also in your copy and in your system, and if any doubt then ask me, okay. So today we done 2 programs, and in book we have one program is your homework, that is the first one, so you have to do that first one also. So total 3 programs are there, and if any doubt then ask me personally. In the next class we will start the loop, okay. I'll give the brief one that what is looping. Looping means repetition. Whatever we have to repeat, we will use in that program we will use looping statement. There are many kinds of loop. In my theory class, first class, I tell you how many types of loops are there. So in the next class we start loop. And you have to write these 3 programs in your copy with the output. And the output you have to write in the blank page.